Hey guys, so how's your day going? Hope it's going good. So today it caught my attention. Uh, it's been Meta platforms, Facebook, Threads, and all those the ones that they own, Instagram, all the social media, and into other things now. And so I've been watching that, and I really think it's a great long term play to hold on to for the long term for the future. And I've been buying that, and when it started going down in November 22, it was around 113 shares, around even lower than that, almost 99. And so ever since then, I've been buying on its way up. It's kind of making a looks like it's a double top almost in a way, but that's the only concern with me. But I think it's the long term future is great, and I think eventually it's just going to keep going up and then eventually split. So whatever, how many shares you have, 100 shares, or whatever, if they do some five, um, some type of split, um, so you would get more shares when that happens. And so it's one to keep an eye on meta platforms. There's I know that Facebook is kind of losing its luster, and not a lot of people use that anymore. I mean, I still do, and a few others that are mostly like for pictures and little things like that. But it really doesn't have the same appeal that it did years ago when it came out, and we get more people use. I guess they watch your teams and different stuff like that. Watch their keep track of the news, different stuff on and what's going on in their family or friends. But and then you have Instagram and then Threads, and I know Threads had a big following in the beginning, and then it kind of faded out. But they're just really getting into a lot of things that AI, like the metaverse, they were trying, and that kind of flopped for them, and then they pivoted to AI, and they're good at that. They know that what mistakes they're making, and then they change course really quick. It seems Zuckerberg's good at that. And so, yeah, they're focusing on really AI right now and building that. There's services, and then they have their different voice. I think they're working on some type of voice, sort of how like Alexa is, and I know they're gonna have that with Facebook or all those other brands, but they're pretty new to that, and but that's down the road. But just as far as the stock goes, I'm just DCAing and then keeping the shares that I have. And I think for the long term, it's just going to keep going up and split and just keep going. But they're not a really one trick pony anymore. And they have, yeah, I wish they would expand outside of Facebook, but they do have other like yeah Instagram and all those other, but they and Threads, and then they're I'm sure they will just get into more things, and then the metaverse they're building into more physical with those goggles and virtual reality. But right now for the metaverse, it's more of just a gaming platform. It's not really hasn't got into the social world. I mean, down the road, it could be where you're on like a chat, sort of how like Teams is or anything like that, and then you put your goggles on and then you're in the virtual world with everybody else. That'd be cool down the road, but not really doing much there except for gaming. But just wanted to say my take on Meta platforms, formerly Facebook, and right now it's trading at 394. It hit 400 and went up a little bit past 400, but man, I could just see it breaking out further, and with the market and even going further. So they're just kind of a lean machine right now. They had that year last year where they cut a lot of their workforce back. I think it's more was related to the metaverse not doing so well, and yeah, the year of efficiency, and then so that turned them around. And yeah, I think it's one to keep an eye on and just hold for the long term and just a dollar cost average into it. I don't think you can go wrong. This is my take on metaverse. I mean, meta platforms. I'm so used to the name metaverse, but yeah, they're big on AI now, and I think there's really good things ahead for them. So again, this is just my take, my opinion. Is not a financial advisor or anything like that. But if you like this video, hit like, subscribe. Trying to get back out there and make more videos. I should be making them like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then more as needed if something, depending on how the market is. But thanks. Cool to hit that, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, check you guys later.